Okay, so finding the intercepts of polynomial functions. So they want us to find the y-intercepts, and the x-intercepts. So let's do the y-intercept first. Y-intercept. So remember, we're going to evaluate at f of 0. In this case, it's going to be 0 minus 2 squared times 2 times 0 plus 3. Okay, that looks like the function we have. Oh, it wasn't f, though. It was g, so g of 0. Okay, now you might say, well, why don't you multiply that out? You could, but I'm choosing not to. So I get negative 2 squared times 3. So what's that going to be? 12? 4 times 3, 12. Okay, so the y-intercept, let me scroll this up a little bit. The y-intercept is going to be 0, 12. Done. We only get one y-intercept. But remember, we can have lots of x-intercepts. So it just depends on what they give us. So we take the function x minus 2 squared times 2x plus 3, and we're setting that equal to 0. So we can use the zero product principle here. You can write x minus 2 squared equals 0. Now, that doesn't matter so much, the square, because if it's 0 in the parentheses, then you square it. It's still going to be 0, right? So we really want to know, when does x minus 2 equal 0? And in that case, it's 2. So that's one of our x-intercepts, is at 2. The other polynomial right here, or binomial, is 2x plus 3 could equal 0. So you're going to get 2x equals negative 3, or x equals negative 3 over 2. That would be the other x-intercept. But we'll go ahead and write them as ordered pairs. X-intercepts, we have 2 of them. One is at negative 3 over 2 comma 0, and the other one is at 2 comma 0. And then those would be the x-intercepts. So it's really handy when they give it to you already factored, because then you can just look at the factors, find the zeros, and you'll have the x-intercepts.